Hey y'all, peace. So I'm back. I'm just gonna do a short video or a short just showing the end results after boiling. Right now I'm waiting for my um, slippery M cough syrup to cool and my elderberry. Once it's cool, I will add the honey. I'm gonna put the slippery M in this container, and then I'm gonna put the elderberry syrup in this container. I gotta add the honey. So as soon as it cool, it's gonna I'm gonna add the honey, and I'll be back to show you all what it looks like in the jar. All right, peace.